Hey guys, Cheryl 17 here, and I'm just sitting over here drinking some meal. I'm gonna be joined by Go Cusket's sister. This is day 3.
And
Okay.
I'm sunburnt.
We just got back from the river, and then we ate, and after that, we're gonna go back to the river in a
My
little bit.
sunburn is hurting.
That's a random thing to say, but yeah, I'll see you after we get out of the river again. Hey guys, I was 17 here, and I just got back from the river about 30 minutes ago, and still got sunburned. And Lazy's one is also filming.
I guess it's fine. I guess it's something normal.
I don't run and be active.
What?
It's sunburnt
Don't worry,
glow.
neither do
We're
I.
both
but-
vlogging.
Sunburnt
Yep.
glow.
Oh my gosh, double cameras.
Double.
Oh
You
gosh.
just got out of the shower. You need to go shower.
I need to go shower.
Whenever you publish
I
those, you
wanna
should
eat
like
first.
pull them both up at the same
That's
time.
nice.
Yeah?
That's
Alright.
her boyfriend.
Anyways,
That's
guys.
Oh, and
I'm
it's
gonna-
Celeste here too.
They know.
I think I'm gonna have to end this vlog here. Actually.
You're not
Because
gonna
it's
Are we gonna do s'mores again? Oh.
Well, I mean, it's. I don't know. Maybe I will. Because I don't know.
This is my Papa Bragg.
Thank you.
I don't know. Should I vlog?
Hello.
Because how am I supposed to vlog tonight if we're gonna go stargazing again?
Well, you can vlog with
It's all the way at the bottom.
Okay, fine. I'll see what I can do.
Okay, I'll be back
You
at
guys, you're welcome.
stargazing or s'mores or something.
Getting to
Something
watch
will
me
come up
eat.
where I'll
Yay.
vlog. Okay,